Throughout the tutorial, we will do various applications related to finding and exploiting security vulnerabilities of the Windows 7 operating system. For this, we need a virtual Windows 7 computer with security vulnerabilities. We will download the Windows 7 virtual computer as an image and add it to VM Player. You can download the Windows 7 image file from the Resources section of our course. After downloading the Windows 7 image file, you can add it to VM Player program by following the steps below. Open the VMware Player program. Click Open Virtual Machine. In the window that opens, find the Windows 7 image file you downloaded. Select the image file. Select the file, click Open. In the window that opens, enter the virtual machine name and specify the folder where you will install the virtual computer. Select the folder by clicking the Browse button. I create all virtual computers under a single folder to make it easier. My recommendation would be to put all virtual computers under a single folder. I use a folder called VMs on my computer. I create all my virtual computers here. Click the down arrow to find the VMs folder, where I create a folder called Win7. Click the Import button. If a warning window appears, click Retry. The import process may take some time. When the import process is finished, the Windows 7 virtual computer will be added on the left side of the VM Player main screen. Start the computer by clicking the Play button. Enter the username and password. Username, administrator, and password, 1234QQQQQ, capital Q. Our Windows 7 virtual computer is ready for use.